Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Web Prodigy. I hope you are doing well. From today we are going to start tutorials about JavaScript. We will demystify JavaScript from basics to brilliance in our playlist of JavaScript tutorial. Are you ready to embark on an incredible journey into the world of web development? Whether you are a curious beginner or an aspiring coder, this tutorial is your gateway to unleashing the true potential of JavaScript. Get ready to dive in and discover the exciting possibilities that await you in the world of web development. In today's comprehensive video tutorial, we will cover some basics of JavaScript. For example, first of all, we will explore why we learn JavaScript, and then I will tell you brief introduction of JavaScript and then benefits of JavaScript, and at the end of the video, we will cover what is the roadmap of JavaScript. So let's start with the first topic. Why we learn JavaScript? You might be wondering, why should we invest our time in learning JavaScript? Learning JavaScript is crucial because it's the cornerstone of modern web development. It enables you to create dynamic and interactive user experiences. Whether you are crafting responsive websites, building web applications, or even venturing into mobile app development, JavaScript empowers you with the skills to bring ideas to life and opens doors to a diverse range of tech-related opportunities in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a versatile and widely used programming language, primarily used for web development. It enables the creation of dynamic and interactive elements within web pages and enhancing user experiences and interactivity. There are various key features of JavaScript. For example, dynamic typing, asynchronous programming, cross-browser compatibility, event-driven programming, libraries and framework function as first-class objects. Let's move towards the benefits of JavaScript. Here are some benefits of JavaScript. Number 1, interactivity and user experience. Number 2, client-side execution. Number 3, DOM manipulation. Number 4, cross-platform and compatibility. Number 5, immediate feedback. Let's move towards the roadmap of JavaScript. There are 9 steps. Step 1, learn HTML and CSS. Step 2, JS foundations like ECMS script, doc. Step 3, JS basics, syntax, variables and data types. Step 4, learn arrays and functions. Step 5, objects and prototypes. Step 6, classes and generators. Step 7, promises and await. Step 8, collections, error and handling. Step 9, proxy and reflection. There are various uses of JavaScript libraries. For example, DOM manipulation, maps, data handling, user interface, animation, charts, database, and UI components. And there are multiple features of JavaScript, for example, object-oriented script language, handling events, client-edge technology, statement looping, validation of user input, lightweight and delicate, and else and if statement, case-sensitive format, and ability to perform. That's all for today's video. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to watch more tutorial videos about JavaScript on our channel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.